Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we'll be using Massive Thanks, and this is a sweet little thank you card we'll be making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to be using Massive Thanks, and we're going to be using thank you, and I usually just send a text, but this calls for a card. So we are going to start with our stamping. I have a piece of Very Vanilla and Cajun CRAZE. And then I have our thank you mounted on clear block B. So just like that. And then our card base is Very Vanilla thick, and it is cut at 8.5 by 5.5, and I scored it at 4 1/4. And then we have the other sentiment mounted on clear block C. And I'm just going to place that here in the middle, just like that. And that is all the stamping we are doing. I'm going to come in with my Stampin' Cut and Emboss. All right, so I'm going to have this. And I have the second to the smallest layering ovals. And then I have a piece of gold foil sheet with the scallop. So get these. All right, and then we can start putting this card together. I have a piece of the Gilded Autumn Specialty Designer Series paper, and this is cut at 3 3/4 by 5. And then a piece of the gold foil sheet, and that is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. And I have run out. All right, so just like that, give it a good rub down. I'm going to come in with some regular tape. And I have the Forever Greenery, the gold like thread. It's a combo. It comes with the gold thread and some Very Vanilla something. I'm just going to wrap this around 3 times. And we'll put this down. Running out of tape too. And we'll just snip the ends. And then you can manipulate this the way you would like. So that looks pretty good. I'm going to come back in with my adhesive. And we'll put it on our card base. So just like that. And then we're going to take our thank you and put that down. I'm going to come in with my Stampin' Dimensionals. I think we'll use 4. Alright, so we're going to put that down in the middle. I'm going to come in with my Gilded Gems. And let's see, I'm just going to use 2 of these smaller ones just on the sides. So there you have it, a quick and simple thank you card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!